never used to take it slow. Now I feel the air and take the long way home. This place is all I've ever known. No longer scared of the open road. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild. Was always looking
Before, nung kami pa lang dalawa, meaningful naman na yung life. But it got a little more meaningful nung dumating si Talia. Kasi we've waited for her for so long.
Ready na kami na to spend our life
Na kami lang
na
dalawa.
kaming dalawa lang. And then, boom, biglang dumating siya sa life namin. And we're very grateful to the Lord, of course, na binigay niya yung prayer namin na super pinagdadasal talaga.
Siguro kung hindi lumabas si Talia, nag-celebrate kami ng first birthday ng aso namin.
Today.
We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild.
My dream for Talia is for her to become successful in her own chosen career, and whatever it is, we're just here to support her. I hope someday maging blessing din siya, not just for us,
To
sa
other people.
other people din, na nagmamahal sa kanya.
Ang dream ko lang para sa kanya is to be happy. Parang just being here with us, na blessed kami ni God with Talia. That's more than enough for us. Kumbaga para for Talia is just to grow up na respectful, mabait, and happy. Happy lang talaga. So whatever it is na gusto niyang gawin in the future, we will support her. Sana magmana siya dito sa mami niya para meron ng heir to the throne.
Find what you're missing, yeah. Just start living. Let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing. You can find what you're missing, yeah. Just start living. Let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing. Tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything.
Ang birthday wish ko lang and namin siguro is for her to grow healthy. Yun lang talaga. So para matagal kami lahat magkasama-sama and ma-enjoy namin yung isa't isa. As long as we are together naman, we know she is in the right path. We are here to guide her. Yun, hopefully maging healthy siya and happy.
Happy birthday, Talia! We love you!